Another chapter is unfolding right now in the Menendez brothers case. A hearing is happening in Los Angeles to determine if the brothers will be resentenced next week. That could ultimately lead to their freedom after more than 30 years behind bars for murdering their parents. CBS 8's Kelly Hezedal joins me here in studio. Kelly, Lyle and Eric Menendez have yet to appear in person for these hearings. Did they today?
They did not. They appeared virtually from Donovan State Prison. Now they're dressed in their blue prison clothes. They're wearing glasses. We're told they appeared pretty uncomfortable as LA prosecutors have basically reminded the judge the graphic nature of the killings. So this hearing has been going on all day long. Cameras are not allowed in the courtroom, but we do have some new courtroom sketches. Now because there's so much interest in this case, they actually held a lottery for seats in the courtroom. Family members of the Menendez brothers are there. We do have some video of one of the cousins arriving at the courthouse this morning. Eric's wife and his stepdaughter, they're there as well. Nathan Hochman, the new DA, his team is arguing to the court that the Menendez brothers have not taken full responsibility for killing their parents, Jose and Kitty Menendez, and therefore he says they should not be eligible for resentencing next week. He says claims that they acted in self-defense, that they were abused. He says those are lies. Now, there have been some tense moments. We're hearing that attorneys for the brothers have accused prosecutors of trying to relitigate this case. And there have been moments that the judge has had to calm everyone down. Now, it's possible the hearing may not end today, that it potentially could go into next week. We should find out, Anna, within the next couple of hours.
A lot of emotions in this, of course. And Kelly, the DA is saying he doesn't believe the brothers. What do the family members of Jose and Kitty believe? They knew the parents.
Well, the one relative who opposed their release, Kitty's brother, died last month. The rest of the family wants the brothers to be set free. In fact, their aunt, Jose's sister, just spoke out for the first time in decades. She's battling colon cancer. She is 85 years old, and she fears she won't live to see them released from prison.
So what happens if the judge sides with the LA district attorney and says, no, the brothers cannot be resentenced next week?
Well, those hearings would be canceled. However, the brothers still have a potential path to freedom. Governor Newsom has asked the state parole board to determine if they're a safety risk to the public. And if the board determines they're not, then their fate could be in the governor's hands. That parole board hearing is scheduled for June.
All right, Kelly Hezedal, thank you for that updated information.